You got married in the kitchen, you turned 50 in your bed, finished high school in your hallway and got christened in the shed. You swapped Bali for your backyard, you abandoned Halloween, and it's hard to blow out candles when your cake is on the screen. The year was weird, that much is true. Fires, floods and lockdowns too, and we all missed so much along the way. So let's pack it all into one day and make it bigger than Christmas. Hip hip, ho ho, let's go. It's bigger than Christmas. Hip hip, ho ho. And here's how it goes. The Easter Bunny rides a sleigh. We'll raise a cracker for Father's Day. Make it bigger than Christmas.
Senza Tittex. Che Natale è?